Okay, padayon na kita. Ginutod ko la kay bangin maguba ita akon OBS. So talagugpi talaga. Hay na kita. So kuha naton 30.4 degree kay sige na akong iban. Significant figures kay di ba kakulop ko pang ginansiran. So okay la tiya. I think okay la tiya kay wala ko nakamakaping nga tanan na kasi an iya significant figures. Tiya as much as possible talaga pag nagsusulba ko gagamiton ko pa ang mga answer tag-unon talaga takin kakapi pero kaya ko naman nakapi kakulo. But anyway, next is the force. Next is acceleration. The acceleration is of course pag may x na okay na makakuha na kita ng acceleration. So again, makikita niyo that velocity and acceleration is changing. Meaning, inihiya as it moves na change and acceleration, na change and velocity. Of course, kung na-change it acceleration, bisan nga ni diri mag-change it acceleration, imong velocity to na change. If you have a acceleration constant. So, diri lang na-change it velocity kung your acceleration is 0. Diba? So, nakakanon kami ito ha. So, for acceleration, you only have negative k all over m times acceleration negative k over x. So kung may dana ako x, so substitute na la k is ito ya 25 ito na diba k is 26 Newton kilogram meters per second squared ang ito 26 Newton per meters per second squared tapos meter meter mass that is karatiya kilogram 26 yes 26 and 1.50 so 1.50 kilogram tapos ang imo x is negative 1.25 plus 60 cm ko 100 all over 1. So, unit na hini is meter. So, meters, kilogram, may dakita unit nga. Meters per second squared. Kx. K all over m times x. Kita nagtuldok ba mapatay niya. 25 centimeter meter ano niya 100 centimeter cancel. So kilogram meters per second squared dapat kasi adilat unit sa Newton per okay may meter pa ini kilogram per meter yun cancel dili. So unit natin is meters per second squared. Okay, Newton per meter kasi ang 26. So, 26 times 1.25 all over 1.50. And that will give us 21.7. 21.7 so meters per second squared. Medyo malaksi niya. Malaksi. Acceleration na niya. Iti mo pag tubo ito velocity. Okay, and then the next is acceleration mass at the seconds and the force on the mass at that time. The force on the mass of course is talking about in here Fx is equal to Kx. So Fx is equal to negative positive negative Kx. So negative K x sa substitute ang k that is 26 kilogram Newton na Newton per meter and then multiplied by x which is negative 1.25 centimeter meter na niya per 100 diba para meter cancel in meter so you will have a Newton for this centimeter kasi niya so i-divide ko 100 centimeter that would be meter so 26 times 1.25 divided by 100 you have 0.325 0.325 and the unit is Newton. Okay, so I guess I've answered everything. Force on the mass at that time. So ito lang ang oras na nag-iiba-iba kapit ng force. Kaya nag-iiba-iba ng force, kaya nag-iiba-iba ng acceleration. Your force is directly proportional to your acceleration. Wala din kita magtapikan varying forces, pero basic. Kaya, because of time, of course, but expect na ito sunod ng mga subjects or sunod niyo mechanics, your force is directly proportional to your acceleration. And if the acceleration is changing, because of the force is also changing. Okay, ito may mga integral pa dito, pero again, skipan tayo kay because of time. Okay, thank you guys. Nasiguraduhan tayo answer. You have 0.216 and 0.324. 0.216, 0.217, and 0.324 Newton, 0.325. So again, kay pinangiban na ako ang mga significant figures. Kung yung capital unom, I think iti katulo tama. Ini, 0.2. So, duha, adi nga 100 bar ko ka-appeal. So, adi nga 100. So, that's 26. 26 times 1.25. Tapos, sa ubos ngayon is 1.50 times 100. So, that would be 0.217. Adi nga dito. Sorry. Amo lang sa ako kakalaksi man. So, there ngayon. The acceleration is just 0.217 or 0.216 kung yung copy ko nga tanan. I think problema yun ini. Kaya naibanan na yung significant figures kasi, di ba? Ang dapat nyo yan iaunom. Kiniliwat kasi didi, sa bagay, 1 lang didi. 7.40 cosine 4.16 minus 2.42. Kung yung value ang kuyahin, ito nga, negative 1.24614 times 26 divided by 1.50 times 100. It nagawas is 0.216. See? 0.216. See? So, negative. Kaya may negative na dito. So, ito hiya, kung aransiran pa nga niya, pwede lang mo i-ground off itong answer, pero ang imo unom ka number hini, imo gagamiton pag compute nga di. Kaya malalabdan na ito usually ang imo tag katulong ang significant figures. Okay, kaya significant figures man din itong problem because of the given. Kaya given nimo. Given nimo is that should be 3. So, usually yung libro kasi, depende sa libro. Dana may dahil yung mga to. So, 3 significant figures, 3 significant figures, 3 significant figures. So, the book is expecting, bisan ang 1 o, ginsurat siya nga may double 00, expecting you to have 3 significant figures, even this one. So, the book is telling you nga niya gamit pagsukol has 3 significant figures. Therefore, the final answers should be in 3 significant figures. But the problem is, kung gagamitin mo ra pag-compute, you should use at least 6. Okay? At least 6. At least 6 at least 5 ngayon, at least 5. Kaya para di rin malabtanan nimo ikaupat ng significant figures. Yan labi na ni katulo. Okay? So that's the use of significant figures. Malaksi nga rule or else magbabasa kamuhan rules of significant figures. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.